This is a prototype of a water heater I made. I'm just going to check the temperature. Yeah, so it's reading 92 degrees. I have it set at 92 degrees. This is the fish tank water heater I bought. I just picked one off of Amazon. I'm sure anyone you get will work just fine. All you do is you plug it in, and it'll read out the temperature of the water. And what you last set it at, which I had it at 90, then you can change the temperature. You can go up like that. I had it at 92, I'm sorry, 93. And then it'll go back, starts over at 65 degrees. So you just press it one at a time. If you want it at 75, you just stop clicking it, and it'll set the heater at 75 degrees. It's now reading the water temperature out at 90, and I can change this if I want the water temperature higher than 90 degrees, say 92. Now the heating element will kick on until this goes up to 92 degrees. And I built a little cover for it. Then I just put some weight on top of that. The tank, just one of these protein powder container. I wrapped it in this stuff that I cut to size. This you'll get if you order perishables like frozen meat and have it delivered to your house. I save all that stuff, so I saved it for the purpose of building this project, and I have a lot more saved for a larger version. And then on the bottom, because it's going next to the sink, this also came with like, I don't know, HelloFresh or something like that, and it's waterproof. So I saved that. That's what's on the bottom since it's going next to the sink. And I also put it on the inside of the lid since the water will evaporate and go up there. The spigot was like, I don't know, $9 or $10 off Amazon. I'll try to leave a link to it. And just really crappy tape for right now, because I didn't want to use Gorilla Tape and then not be able to get it apart. And when I build a better version, I'll do all that with Gorilla Tape. And I'll probably find some, I think I have some scrap aluminum here that I can wrap the tank in. Then I just set it over here. It's good to have warm water to wash your hands, especially if you have like pine sap on them or something. If you have warm water, it's easier to get the grease off the dishes and so forth. Plug it back here. Of course, I have to reset the temperature again. Something to weigh it down. There you go. Warm water. Someday when I make the larger version, I'll do a build of that. Of course, it'll get piped into the hot water system and all that. Have a good one.